Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talking about one of the most powerful and often overlooked principles in bodybuilding, which is the mind-muscle connection. Have you ever wondered why some people in the gym see incredible results while others lift heavy weights for years and barely change? The secret isn't always in lifting heavier, it's in how you lift. The mind muscle connection is the ability to consciously focus on a specific muscle while training instead of just moving the weight from point A to point B. You actually feel the muscle working. You control it, you engage it, you make every rep count. This simple shift in focus can completely transform your workouts and your results. So, what's really happening inside your body? When you focus on a muscle during exercise, your brain sends stronger signals to that muscle. This leads to better communication between brain and muscle, more muscle fibers being activated, greater control over each movement. In simple terms, you're not just lifting weights anymore, you're training your muscles with intention. Why does this matter? Because without proper focus, other muscles can take over the movement. For example, your shoulders might take over during chest exercises. Your lower back might dominate during leg movements. This leads to poor muscle development, imbalances in your physique, increased risk of injury. But with a strong mind muscle connection, you can isolate muscles better, build symmetry, train smarter, not just harder. One of the easiest ways to improve this connection, slowing down your reps. When you rush through exercises, you rely on momentum, you lose control, you stop feeling the muscle. But when you slow down, you increase time under tension, you feel every contraction, you improve control. Try this. Lower the weight slowly, pause, then lift with full control. Feel the difference. Another powerful technique is visualization. Before and during your set, imagine the muscle contracting. Picture it shortening and stretching. Focus deeply on that movement. This mental practice strengthens the connection between your brain and your muscles. The more you visualize, the better you activate. Is something many people don't want to hear. Sometimes lifting lighter weights give better results. Why? Because heavy weights often lead to bad form, momentum, less control. But lighter weights allow you to focus on technique, control every rep, fully engage the target muscle. Remember, it's not about how heavy you lift, it's about how well you train. If you really want to master the mind muscle connection, start using more isolation exercises. These exercises target one muscle group at a time, such as bicep curls, leg extensions, tricep pushdowns. They reduce help from other muscles and force the target muscle to do the work. This builds better awareness, stronger contractions, improved muscle control. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make. Most lifters focus only on lifting heavy. Use momentum to complete reps. Ignore how the muscle actually feels. This leads to less muscle activation, slower progress, poor results over time. If you are just moving the weight, you are missing the whole point. Here are some simple tips you can start using today. Slow down every repetition. Focus on the muscle, not the weight. Use controlled movements. Maintain proper form. Squeeze the muscle at the top of each rep. And importantly, stay mentally present during your workout. No distractions, no rushing. Just you and your muscles. The mind-muscle connection is not just a technique, it's a mindset. When you learn to control your muscles, focus your attention, and train with purpose, you unlock a completely new level of progress. So next time you hit the gym, don't just lift the weight, feel it, control it, own every rep, because that's where real growth begins. So, see you guys in the next video.